want to use our calculator to work with quadratic regressions. All right, so these are asking me, they're telling me that I'm going to create a quadratic regression. All right, so in order to use the calculator effectively, it's really nice, okay, if you'll just clear the memory to begin with. All right, can always go through that process. So if you'll clear the memory, all right, and then we always want to turn the stat plot on and the diagnostic on. Okay, if we'll do that, okay, so second y equals stat plot on. So you do second y equals once again. Okay, and then just press enter twice. All right, that's going to help us actually graph it. Okay, and then I want to do the second and then 0, which is catalog. And then I want to go all the way down to diagnostic on. Okay, when I press enter, I want to make sure that I see done right there. So that means I've turned that on, so my calculator is going to give me enough information to be able to really work with quadratic regressions. Okay, so what happens is if I have 3 points, okay, my calculator will spit out to me the equation that best fits that data. All right, so I'm going to go to stat, and then I want to edit, and I'm going to put in these 3 points. So 3, 8, negative 4, 9, and 1, 0. All right, and because it told me that this is a quadratic, I'm going to do stat, calc, 5, and make sure that I press enter. All right, so those are nasty decimals, but that r squared right there tells me that because that's 1, that means those points lie directly on this equation. All right, so as long as I round this to 3 decimals, I should be good. All right, so I'm going to make sure that I start my quadratic in standard form with y equals or f of x equals. So I'm going to do 0.829x squared plus 0.686x, and then minus 1.514. All right, now I'm not feeling really confident in that because that looks really off. I'm kind of confused. I don't know if I did it right. So what I can do is I can type in the equation that I just wrote down. So 0.829x squared, okay, plus 0.686x minus 1.514. All right, and if I want to see it on the graph with the data, I'll just press zoom 9, and that'll give me the right window to see my data points. And I can see that this quadratic does go through all 3 data points, so I'm feeling a lot more confident, okay, in my regression. So that's how we use the calculator. We don't always have to check it, but sometimes it's a nice feature. So you're going to use zoom 9 to help you with the window if you're having a hard time.